Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is day 3 of trading with the Kelly criteria formula. So, like I've been saying, if you've been following along my videos, I'm using the Kelly criteria formula, which is this right here, to try to find out the most optimal risk. The peak of the bell curve is the most ultimate risk. The half Kelly is what most people are trading, which is what I'm trading down here, which is still very aggressive, but a little bit more on the conservative side. Kind of reduces your risk to ruin a little bit, so that way, hopefully, you don't blow the trading account. So I just started off with 1,000 euros on this trading account. This is my trade journal, my spreadsheet that I keep track of all my trades. Yesterday was the 12th. I entered 3 trades yesterday. I had one trade that was a full loss, which was a long on the euro dollar, so I took one full loss there. Later on in the day, I took a break-even trade on the euro dollar. Well, technically, it was a 5 euro win, but break-even. And then later on in the day, I took a full winning trade. So definitely not the most profitable day, but definitely not too bad. It was 84 euros up, which is definitely not a lot of money, but you have to keep in mind that this is only 1,000 euro trading account. So I'm up $482 or euros on a 1,000 euro trading account in 3 days. So technically, I'm up 48% on my trading account in 3 days with this Kelly criteria formula. So the potential of turning a really small trading account into a really large amount of money is very, very high trading this formula. Like I said, this is the formula right here. And at the end of every week, we will redo the formula so that way we're using the most ideal risk. This is the bell curve right here. I'm using half Kelly, which is roughly about 10% of my trading account per trade. And this is my actual trading account right here. I got my account number blocked, but this is an O-ender trading account. So this is my trading account right here. And you can see the 3 trades that I just showed you on the spreadsheet right here with a total win of 84 euros. So not a whole lot to report on from yesterday, but that's okay because if you keep at it, stick to the strategy, the potential for a huge, huge, huge amount of money is really, really high with this Kelly criteria formula. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want to follow along with the progress that I'm doing on this. If you would like to follow along with my trades, then definitely sign up to my website. It's fxpipcollector.com. It is only $30 a month, and it comes with a ton of educational information and every single trade I share with the group at the exact time of entry. It is definitely not a signal service, but if you would like to follow along with all my trades, you are definitely more than welcome to. But like I said, I never ever have intended for my membership to be a signal service. It's more just, a group of like-minded traders willing to help each other out and work together to try to figure out, these patterns and what direction to be trading in. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe so that way you don't miss out on my future updates on this experiment that I'm doing. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.